Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to unlock your WhatsApp chat, how to unlock chat on WhatsApp. First of all, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Let's go over to WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp, is loading up, and here is it. What you have to do is for you to scroll the chat up, and let me do that right now. And through the chat up, you're going to see lock chat. So let's go over to lock chat. For you to gain access to here, you have to enter your iPhone passcode or you use your Face ID. So let me put in my passcode. After putting your passcode, all your lock chat will show up. So for you to unlock it, you have to long press it. Let me long press it, and you're going to see unlock chat. So let me go over to unlock chat. All your chats, this chat will be unlocked. It will be showing on your WhatsApp. So let me go over to unlock. Here it is, and here it said enter iPhone passcode for WhatsApp. So the passcode is required for you to unlock your phone. Here it said no lock chat. As you can see guys, I've unlocked the chat here on my phone. So guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Love you.